Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by removing overload. Pick the 3 prerequisites you need: arithmetic, fractions, basic algebra, and limit practice to 15 minutes. Do 1 micro skill per session so you experience quick success. This builds confidence and reduces avoidance. Once done, use 5 curated example problems and get immediate feedback from an app, tutor, or answer key. This sequence prevents overwhelm and makes progress visible, which is why you won't lose motivation, and fear starts fading. You now move into structured practice. Apply spaced repetition, review after 1, 3, and 7 days to lock concepts into memory. Break each complex problem into 3 clear substeps. Solving a substep is a small victory and keeps anxiety low. Explain solutions aloud, as if teaching. Verbalizing reveals gaps and strengthens understanding. Once done, make sure to vary problem types so you generalize skills, which reduces future fear, because you'll recognize patterns instead of floundering. You complete the cycle by attempting 10 mixed problems in 1 focused session to confirm integration of skills. After finishing, categorize errors into 3 recurring types so you address root causes rather than symptoms. If anxiety spikes or you get stuck, simplify the problem immediately. Rewind to the related microskill, practice a quick 5-minute set, then retry the original question. This troubleshooting tip ensures you don't spiral. Stepping back briefly prevents panic and lets learning continue steady.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.